Welcome to Awesome Care. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to disable Windows Update using Python. Disabling Windows Update using Python can be achieved by interacting with the Windows registry or using a command line. So we are going to see an example of how to disable Windows Update by modifying the registry. So we are going to use a WinReg module in our Python code. First, we are going to import WinReg module, which allows Python to interact with the Windows registry. Then we are going to define a function, disable Windows Update. This defines a function named disable Windows Update that will contain the logic to disable Windows Update. So we are going to have error handling. We try. This begins a try block to handle any exception that may occur during the execution of the code. Then we have a key path. For registry key path, this specifies the path in the Windows registry where the settings for Windows are stored. This would be software policies, Microsoft, Windows Update, AU. The R before the string denotes a raw string, which helps avoid issues with escape characters. Then a create key, reg dot create key. This will be reg dot h key local machine key path. This attempts to create the specified registry key. If it already exists, it will do nothing. Then key reg open key. This is for open key. This opens the registry key for the specified path with permission to set values. Now we are going to set value reg set value key no auto update reg reg d word. This sets a d word value named no auto update to 1, which disables automatic updates. If the value were set to 0, it would enable updates. Then next we are going to close key, reg dot close key, pause in key. This closes the registry key to free up resources. Print success message. This prints a message indicating that Windows Update has been disabled. Now, exception handling. If any error occurs during the process, it is caught here and error message is printed. And now our main execution blocks. This checks if the script is being run correctly, not imported as a module. If so, it will call the disable Windows Update function to execute the code. You need to run this script as with admin privileges. Uh, I open my Visual Code as an administrator, so I'm just going to run this script. This one is set value x. And we can see the message Windows Update has been disabled. So this one is Windows. Need to fix this. Right again. Yeah, Windows Update has been disabled. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.